Hi guys, my name is Akshay. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we had seen the launching and overview of Solidworks user interface. If you had not seen that video, then the link is in the description below. Now, in this video, we are going to see all the view panel in details, that is, navigating techniques used in Solidworks. So, let's see. I had made a simple part for this video. Let's go and open it from the recent documents. In navigating techniques, the very first aspect is zoom in and zoom out, which can be done by scrolling your middle mouse button. The zoom commands follow your mouse to zoom that region. Now, if you want to zoom this hole, you have to just place your mouse and just scroll. If you are a beginner, I would not recommend you to use the touchpad for designing in SolidWorks. The next aspect is rotating your part. For that, you have to hold down your middle mouse button and just drag around to rotate your part. Now, if you want to pan your model, you can just hold down the control key with the middle mouse button and you can enable to pan your model. Also, if you hold down the Alt with middle mouse button, then you can roll your model with the center axis. Also, if you hold down the shift key with the middle mouse button, then you will be unable to zoom in and zoom out as you are doing with the scroll button. Somehow, if you don't have the mouse, you can rotate your model by using your arrow key as well. You can align your model towards any axis by simply clicking on this X, Y, Z. Likewise, if you click on X, Y, Z, then it will get aligned to those axes. At the top side, view panel is located with a bunch of icons, in which the first one is zoom to fit. Simply click over it or press F button and your model will get fit to this working area. Likewise. Next is zoom to area. If you want to zoom a specific region, then this tool is for you. Just go and select the area you want to zoom in. Next is previous view. For going back to your previous view, just click over it and you are back to your view. Next is section view. Pretty interesting tool where you can cut your model into any section as you want by using the primary planes. Here you can adjust the distance, also add some angle if you want, like I am adding 45 degree, and once you are happy with your view as you want, so you can just click OK. Now just go and uncheck this. Next one is view orientation. Here you can select any of the plane to orient your part to that plane. Likewise, and also you can create your own view by going here and selecting a view and make a new view. And also there is a normal to tool available where you can just go and click to make any normal to the plane, like selecting the top and I just go and click to the normal, so it will go and your object will get normal to that plane. So below that there are 4 panels are available, like this is a 4 view panel where you can find your part into the 4 view, like front view, left view, top view and trimetric view. So this window is generally used when you want to look your part into the 4 different aspects. So for now I just go and select our default window. Okay. So next is display style. There are 5 types of display styles available. First one is the shaded with edges, where you can find the dark edges are available and with the shaded part, and next one is just the shaded without the edges. You can't find here any edges, so it is known as shaded part. Also third one is the line removed with hidden. There are no any hidden lines available and you can just see the outer surfaces of the part. And third one is the hidden line view, where you can find all the hidden lines available in the parts. And the last one is the wireframe, where you can see all the lines of the part. Next is the show type, where you have the opportunity to enable or disable the view parameters like sketch, plane, axis, points, etc. If you want to see the sketches done in the model, just go and enable the sketch view and you will find all the sketches done in the model. And also if you want to see the primary planes, and just go and enable the primary plane, and also you can see all the primary planes that are available to the model, that are front plane, top plane and right plane. I will just go and uncheck them. So now your model looks clean. Next is the edit appearance, where you can color your model and also can provide the material fill to your model as you want. For now I just go and click to this yellow color and also add a material appearance. I will give it middle gloss and also enable the yellow color, and so you can find you have given your model a very cool color. Next is the apply scene, where you can change your background color as you want, or the background scene. For now it is on default. If I go and change to the rooftop, you can see my background color has been changed. Also there are so many background scenes are available in the manage favorite. You can just go and check them all as you want. If you are suitable with any of them, you can just go and set it to default. Okay. Next is view setting. There are 4 types of view setting available to me. So first one is the shaded and shadow mode, where you can enable and you can see the shadow of your part. Next is the ambient occlusion, where you can see the changes in the color, where it give a ambient look to your part. And the third one is the perspective view, where your part perspective changes to like single point or 2 point perspective. So by default it will be single point perspective. And fourth one is the cartoonish view. I don't like it actually. These tools are generally used in rendering purpose, where you have to snap your model for the advertisement or giving any presentation to someone. So this was all about the view panel and navigation techniques used in SolidWorks. If you had liked this video, then please hit to the like button, share with your friends. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe and hit to the bell icon to get the new updates. Thank you.